Good evening, I'm Avette Ingleton, and tonight we're pulling back the curtain on a brand new account that promises to change how families save for their children's future. It's called the Trump Account, and it begins with a gift straight from the government. Imagine this. Your child is born, and before you've even left the hospital, $1,000 is waiting in their name. Sounds generous, doesn't it? Almost too generous, like taking candy from strangers. Sweet at first, but what's the catch? Tonight we'll weigh this shiny newcomer against the old reliable custodial account. By the end, you'll know which path truly protects your child's future and which one might leave you with more questions than answers. Now, before we chase the shiny newcomer, let's talk about the account that's been around for decades, the custodial account. Think of it as the steady classic, reliable, predictable, but not without its own twists. Here's how it works. Parents or guardians open the account in a child's name. They manage it until the child turns 18 or 21 in some states. You can put in cash, stocks, even bonds. It grows over time. But here's the catch. Uncle Sam doesn't wait until adulthood. He taxes the earnings every single year. And opening one isn't complicated. Platforms like Robinhood or Webull let you set up custodial accounts in minutes. No paperwork marathon required. That's why so many families lean on them as the reliable choice. So yes, it's flexible. You can use it for college, a car, even a first apartment. But every year, the tax bite reminds you, this isn't a free ride. Reliable, yes. Untouchable, no. It's the account you can trust to be there tomorrow. But is it steady enough when the competition is dangling tax-free growth and government seed money? That's where things get interesting. Now, let's turn to the account that's been making headlines, the so-called Trump account. It promises tax-free growth, government seed money, and a shiny new way to invest for the future. Sounds irresistible, but let's peel back the layers. Here's the pitch. Open one of these accounts, and the government chips in to get you started. Your money grows tax-free, which means Uncle Sam isn't scooping coins every year like he does with custodial accounts. On paper, it looks like a win-win. But here's the twist. The rules are still evolving. Eligibility, contribution limits, even how withdrawals work, none of it is set in stone. And if the administration changes, so can the rules. What looks like free money today could vanish tomorrow, rewritten by a new playbook. Platforms are racing to support these accounts, but the fine print matters. What looks like free money today could come with strings tomorrow. So the question isn't just which account grows faster, it's which one you can actually count on when the stakes are highest, and that's where the real suspense begins. An account is only as strong as the hands that control it. And here's where things get tricky. With custodial accounts, the parent or guardian manages everything until the child comes of age. That means trust is essential, because until you turn 18, it isn't really yours to touch. Trump accounts flip the script. The government sets the rules, decides eligibility, and can change the playbook if administrations shift. One election, one policy change, and suddenly the rules you counted on aren't the same. So, ask yourself, do you want your future in the hands of family you trust, in the hands of politicians you don't control? And just when you think you've chosen the safer path, there's another twist. What happens when the money grows faster than the rules can keep up? That's where the showdown really begins. Here's the thing. Money grows fast, but the rules around it don't always keep up. And when that happens, you're the one stuck in the middle. With a custodial account, you know what you're getting. Parents manage it until you're 18. Taxes take a bite each year, but the rules are clear and steady. With Trump accounts, the pitch is exciting. Tax-free growth and even government money to start. But here's the catch. Those rules can change if the people in charge change. Then what looks like free money today might come with new limits tomorrow. So, the real question isn't just which account grows faster, it's which one you can actually count on when life changes. So, if you want steady and predictable, custodial accounts are the safer bet. If you're willing to take a chance on changing rules for bigger rewards, Trump accounts might be tempting. Which path feels right for you? Because in the end, it's not about chasing the flashiest option, it's about choosing the strategy that fits your future. At the end of the day, these accounts aren't just numbers on a screen, they're about your child's future. Custodial accounts give families a reliable way to save. Parents manage the money until the child is grown, and while taxes take a little each year, the account is steady and predictable. It's a path built for stability. Trump accounts offer something different, tax-free growth and even starter money from the government. But because the rules can change with new leadership, the future isn't guaranteed. It's a path built for potential but also uncertainty. So the real question is, which path fits best for your child's future? Do you want the security of knowing the money will be there, or are you willing to take a chance on bigger rewards that depend on changing rules? Think about what matters most for your child. Steady support they can count on, or the possibility of more growth with more risk. That's the choice in front of you. Because in the end, the right account isn't about hype, it's about building the future you want for them. Before we wrap up, remember, these choices aren't just about accounts, they're about building a future for your family. And here at CCI, we're one big investing family learning together. If today's breakdown helped you see things more clearly, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I want to hear which account you'd choose for your child's future. And don't miss the next episode. We're diving into crypto with a very special guest joining me. Hint, you've heard his name before, and he's got a few surprises up his sleeve. From all of us at CCI, have a blessed and financially successful week ahead, and I'll see you on the next episode.